All right, here we go. Taking a look at the 12-volt AC unit on this Sprinter van here. This particular one's a Revel. It's been in the shop for a few items, and one of which is an AC unit that's up top. I get a chance to show how cool this ladder is here. And here's the AC unit up here. These 12-volt AC units will pull at max draw 75 amps. So these are nearly twice as efficient as your typical AC unit. These things are sweet though, aren't they? Spare tire carrier and a ladder built into one. Okay, work in progress. Put away. You're not allowed in here. So right now we're diagnosing the S-bar heater system and running some testing on it. But back there is the shroud for the 12-volt AC unit. And powering that is a Roambuilt Electrical system we put in. So super efficient way to keep these nice and cool. So there's the AC unit. We built a custom shroud for it. This is applications in a Revel, so every job's a little different. I'm pretty sure, hey John, it's a standard 14 by 14 opening. Yeah.
Opening, it fits really nice right on the top. It's got a little remote.
Yeah, all kinds of functions right here on the remote. It's actually a nice size, pretty small. Some of the older vents and stuff have these big clunky remotes. They're kind of ridiculous. Take you back to that clicker age. So yeah, this thing, 12-volt AC unit, pretty sick little setup. There you go.